Greetings, savvy savers and financial fitness enthusiasts. Welcome to HouseLux Estate, your reliable source for all things finance, property, and lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a topic that will pique your interest and potentially transform your financial future: how to build a high-interest emergency savings fund. An emergency savings fund is more than just a safety net. It's your financial lifeline when unexpected expenses pop up, like car repairs, medical emergencies, or sudden job loss. It's about having the peace of mind knowing you're prepared for life's unexpected twists and turns. But how do you build one that not only provides security but also grows your wealth over time? That's where the magic of high-interest savings comes in. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Stay tuned because we're about to break down the process for you. Before we delve into the process, it's crucial to understand what an emergency savings fund is and why you need one. Picture this: a cushion of cash readily available that you can fall back on when unexpected costs arise. That, my friends, is an emergency savings fund. Now, you might be thinking, why would I need that? Well, let's visit a few scenarios. Imagine you're cruising through life when suddenly you lose your job. It's a shock, and while you're searching for a new role, you still have bills to pay. That's where your emergency savings fund comes in, keeping you afloat while you navigate these choppy waters. Or let's say you're hit with unexpected medical expenses. Even with insurance, these costs can pile up. Your emergency savings fund can swoop in, covering these expenses and preventing you from sinking into debt. And then there are sudden home repairs. You wake up one day and your roof is leaking, or your heating system decides to take a vacation in the middle of winter. With an emergency fund, you can handle these repairs without breaking a sweat. But it's not just about covering unexpected costs. An emergency savings fund also gives you the freedom to make choices that align with your long-term goals. Want to switch careers? Start a business? Having a financial safety net can give you the confidence to take those leaps. In essence, an emergency savings fund is more than just a pile of money. It's a protective barrier, a financial guardian angel, if you will. It buffers you against life's uncertainties, providing you with peace of mind and financial stability. It's not about expecting the worst, but rather being prepared for anything that comes your way. So as we journey further into the world of high-interest emergency savings, remember this: building this fund is about investing in your future, securing your peace of mind, and ensuring you can weather any financial storm. Having an emergency savings fund is like having a financial safety net. It provides you with peace of mind and financial stability. Now that we understand the importance of an emergency fund, our first step is to determine our savings goal. It's crucial to have a clear target, a number that we can strive towards. As a general rule of thumb, it's wise to aim for about 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This gives you a safety cushion, a buffer zone, if you will, in case of unexpected financial situations. To calculate this, you'll need to work out your personal monthly expenses. This includes everything from rent or mortgage payments to groceries, utility bills, and any other regular payments you're responsible for. Don't overlook anything. It's better to overestimate than underestimate. Once you've got this total, multiply it by 3 and then by 6. This range will give you a good starting point for your savings goal. Remember, your savings goal should reflect your personal financial situation and comfort level. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution, but a personalized financial safety net. With your savings goal set, the next step is to find a home for your emergency fund, a high-interest savings account. Now, what is a high-interest savings account, you ask? It's a type of savings account which offers a higher interest rate compared to regular savings accounts. The interest rates are usually compounded daily or monthly, which means you earn interest on your interest. It's essentially your money working harder for you while you sit back and relax. Now let's talk about why a high-interest savings account is beneficial for your emergency fund. The primary advantage is the power of compound interest. Remember, every penny counts when you're building an emergency fund, and the magic of compound interest can help your savings grow faster. The second benefit is the safety and accessibility. High-interest savings accounts are insured by the federal government, meaning your money is safe. And while they encourage you to save by offering higher interest rates, they also offer easy access to your funds in case of emergency. The third benefit is flexibility. There are typically no restrictions on when you can deposit or withdraw money, which makes high-interest savings accounts a handy tool for managing your emergency fund. So, How do you go about choosing the right high-interest savings account? It's all about shopping around and comparing. Look at the interest rates, the fees, the minimum balance requirements, and the ease of access. Remember, the goal is to find an account that allows your emergency fund to grow while still offering easy access when you need it. Bear in mind that the highest interest rate doesn't always mean the best account. A high-interest savings account with exorbitant fees or unrealistic balance requirements may not be the best fit. It's about finding the balance between growth and accessibility that works best for your specific needs. Remember, every little step you take towards building your emergency fund brings you closer to financial security and peace of mind. Every bit of interest earned is a step forward. Choosing the right high-interest savings account can expedite your journey to financial security. Now, it's time to implement a savings plan. This is where you decide how much to save and how often. Let's start by recognizing the significance of consistency in saving. You see, if you sporadically save, your savings account might grow, but not at the pace that you'd want. However, if you're consistent, even with small amounts, your savings will accumulate and grow exponentially due to the magic of compound interest. Think of it as a fitness routine. You don't become fit overnight by doing a marathon workout session. Instead, it's the result of consistently working out day after day. The same principle applies to saving. You've got to make it a habit. Now, how do we develop this habit? Well, there are a few strategies that can help you. One of them is setting up automatic transfers. This is like having a personal assistant who takes a portion of your income and puts it into your savings account every month. You don't even have to think about it, it's all done for you. Another strategy is to save a certain percentage of each paycheck. So instead of saving a fixed amount, you adjust your savings based on your income. If you get a raise or a bonus, your savings increase proportionately. This method is great because it adapts to your financial situation, ensuring you're saving an amount that's appropriate for your income level. You can also consider a hybrid approach, combining both methods. For instance, you could set up automatic transfers for a base amount and then manually add a percentage of any extra income like bonuses or tax returns. This way, you're consistently saving, but also taking advantage of any additional income. Don't forget to periodically review your plan. As your income changes, your expenses fluctuate, or your financial goals evolve, your savings plan should adapt accordingly. Regularly reassessing your plan will ensure it remains effective and aligned with your needs. Remember, consistency is key. Even small contributions can add up over time. So, start implementing your savings plan today and watch your high-interest emergency savings fund grow. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today about building a high-interest emergency savings fund. We've journeyed through understanding the importance of emergency savings, defining our savings goal, choosing a high-interest savings account, and finally implementing a savings plan. We started off by understanding the significance of having an emergency savings fund. It acts as our financial safety net, protecting us from unforeseen expenses. It's our buffer against life's uncertainties, whether it's an unexpected car repair, medical emergencies, or job loss. Next, we moved on to setting our savings goal. We discovered that an ideal emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This goal will differ for each of us, depending on our individual circumstances and lifestyle. But remember, it's not about reaching the goal overnight, but rather consistently saving over time. Then, we delved into choosing a high-interest savings account. We talked about how critical it is to make our money work for us. By storing our emergency fund in a high-interest account, we can earn interest while our money sits idle. We compared traditional savings accounts to high-yield savings accounts and online banks, weighing the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Finally, we discussed implementing a savings plan. This step is all about discipline and regularity. We learned that automating our savings can remove the temptation to spend, ensuring we're consistently contributing to our fund. We also touched on ways to supplement our savings, like cutting back on non-essential expenses or seeking additional income sources. Having a high-interest emergency savings fund is more than just a financial strategy. It's peace of mind. It's freedom from worry during times of crisis. It's an investment in our future and our financial security. Thank you for joining us at House Lux Estate today. Remember, building a high-interest emergency savings fund is an investment in your financial security. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial wisdom. Until next time, happy saving.